my beetroot and carrot juice. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you beetroot and carrot juice. Alright, here I have a medium carrot cut up with a medium beetroot. I have some ginger. I have a tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of lime juice. I have water. I have my bullet, I have my pot and strainer over there, and I'm gonna get started. Okay guys, I'm gonna add the carrot and the beetroot to the bullet. Okay. Then I'm gonna add my ginger. My sugar, and guys, you can choose not to add any sugar. My lime juice, some water. So this is a juice, so you're gonna need the maximum water. And then I'm gonna cover this, and then I'm gonna blend. And there I have it guys, it's all blend. I'm gonna move my pot over to this side. Look how rich it is. And then I'm gonna strain. So rich guys. Gonna have to add some more water to this. So rich. Nice natural juice you can do at home guys, for your family. I'm gonna add some water to this. And then I'm gonna add it to this. Guys, I'm gonna strain it again, but you cannot strain these things one time until you get rid of it. Alright guys, and there you have it guys, my beetroot and carrot juice all done. You can put this to chill, or you can add some ice to it and serve. Okay guys, go ahead and try this video. Look at the color, it's so rich. And beetroot is good for you guys, and carrot. Alright, so you can go ahead and prepare it for your family. They will love it. Alright guys, remember to like this video, share it to the friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you will know when I upload a video. Don't miss out. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.